Once again, welcome to economic class. So here in this class, we are going to see about the capital needed in the farming and from where the farmers are managing their capitals. So let's move. I request to each and everyone to have a notebook and a pen to copy down the important point from this particular presentation. Chapter number 1, the story of village Palampur. We are in the flow of this story and we are on the topic number 9. The topic number 9 is speaking about the capital needed in the farming. We are going to have the discussion on the capital needed in the farming. After that, we are going to see the sale of surplus farm products. So first we are going to see the capital which we are needed in farming. As we already know about the capital which we are needing, about that in that we as seen in the first one, factors of production, the capital, the physical capital, in that again divided into two, that is a fixed capital and working capital. So let's move to see the capital which is needed in farming, from where they are obtaining, and the sale of the surplus is leading to farmer in which situation. You have already seen that the modern farming method requires a great deal of capital, so that the farmer now needs more money than before. So the story is speaking about, as the farmer is adopting the modern farming method, to do modern farming method, the farmer has to have more capital, more money in the hand, to have the high yielding variety of the seeds, for the proper irrigation of that, fertilizer, insecticide, pesticides and other material which are needed for the modern farming method. So here is that already we have seen, if we are adopting modern farming method, so we require more capital than the traditional methods require the capital. Let's move. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange the capital. So most the farmer, and which are the farmer? They are the small farmers. These small farmers are borrowing money from where? Either they are going from the one difficult way, or they are having their own saving. But they are going to the difficult ways only. They are moving towards a money lender to borrow the money, or from the large farmers. They borrow from the large farmers, or the village money lenders, or the traders who supply various inputs of cultivation. And finally the trader, what the traders will do? The trader is new over here. The trader will take all the farm production at a very low rate. If the harvesting season, the price is going to be very high, but the trader will give the less amount to the farmer and take all the production of their farm. Then the rate of interest on such loan is very high. See here, the rate of interest on the loan is very high, and they are put to the great distress to repay the loan. As they are taking the loan, but they are not able to repay. The reason why is that because they are taking the loan on a very high rate. The rate of the interest is so much high. So they are not able to have a fine production, plus they are already in debit condition, plus they don't have the other source of income also to repay the loan. So they are suffering and suffering. Next, we are going to see another story which speaks about Savita's condition. So Savita and what she is doing and how she is managing the cultivation activity. Savita, she is a small farmer. Dear children, one thing I want to tell to you. These all stories are basically only kept in the textbook to make you realize how the peoples are suffering when they are not having their own land piece. Right? Now we are going to Savita, she is small farmer, but how to extract the capital from the different areas, she is also again suffering in a difficult situation. Earlier we are seeing the landless farmer was suffering. Now we are going to see about Savita's story. She is a small farmer, right? She is holding a small patch of land, and then also she is suffering for the capital. From where she is bringing the capital? So let's see the story. Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare. She is having only 1 hectare of the land. Besides seeds, fertilizer and pesticides, she needs cash. She needs seeds also, fertilizers also, pesticides also, and she needs cash to buy water and repair the farm instrument. So for all these things, she needs money. The capital she needs. And why? Because she is going to adopt the good seed, fertilizer and pesticides that are all coming in the modern farming method. She is going to adopt to do the farming in the 1 hectare of her land by the modern farming method. So she wants loan. So from where she is going to have the loan? Let's see. She estimates that the working capital itself would cost a minimum of rupees 3,000. Right? Estimate working capital. She doesn't have the money, so she decided to borrow from Tejpal Singh. So this Tejpal Singh is a large farmer. Right? So here we are going to see about she is planning to have the capital for the working capital. To have working capital, she requires money. She is going to borrow from the large farmer. The name of the farmer is Tejpal Singh. Right? Next, Tejpal Singh agreed to give Savita the loan at an interest rate of 24% of whatever she is going to have. Take the money of that 24% for 4 months only, which is very high. Which is very high interest rate. Savita also has to promise. Savita also has to promise to work there as a farm laborer on Tejpal Singh's land, and she is going to have harvest season at ₹100 per day. As you can tell, this rate is quite low because already I have shown you the slide presentation in the previous presentation that the government has decided 300 rupees, and see here the situation. She is going to suffer because she is going to work 100 rupees per day, and that is going to be very, very low. Right? So Savita is going to promise, if she is going to have the money from Tejpal Singh, then she has to promise that she will work as a farm laborer at the rupees of 100 rupees per day. Next, Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field and then work as a farm laborer of Tejpal Singh. So here the story is speaking about that Savita already knows. She has taken the loan. She has to work as a farm laborer also and to do all arrange the laboring business for her own land also. Right? So here the story is speaking about that she is going to have a difficult situation because we will see. The harvest time is very busy time as a mother. She is mother of the 3 children. Has a lots of household responsibility. After doing this household responsibility, she is working on her own land base as well as she is going to work on Tejpal Singh's land also. Then Savita agrees to these tough conditions, and the reason why? Because she knows getting a loan is difficult for a small farmer. She knows that getting a loan for her cultivation, it's very difficult being as a small farmer because she don't have an additional income. Let's see. The second point we are going to see, in contrast to the small farmer, the medium and the large farmer have their own saving from the farming. So how they are managing? So from their own saving from the farming, they are just able to arrange for the capital needed. How do these farmers have their own saving? So we are going to answer this question in the upcoming slide. So you shall find the answer of in the next session. So let the section please see. Let's discuss the story so far. So this is I kept for you as an homework. You can go and read the text and do this fill in the blanks. We have read about the three factors of production: land, labor and capital, and how they are used in farming. So let us fill in the blanks given below. In the textbook, the fill in the blank has been given below there. You have to do that fill in the blanks. So that fill in the blanks you have to do. I will just show you in the textbook where is that fill in the blanks. So on page number 9, the fill in the blanks are given. From here you have to do the blanks, fill up the blanks here only. Up to next page it is here. Okay. Next, moving to the next topic. Let us suppose that the farmer have produced wheat on their land using the three factors of production. The wheat is harvested and the production is complete. What do the farmer do with the wheat? They will keep the necessary one for their own consumption and rest of the surplus they will sell in the market. So the answer is coming from where these large farmers and the medium farmers are arranging their capital. They are selling their surplus and saving the amount for the next production. They retain a part of the wheat for the family consumption and sell the surplus which is extra in the market. Next, the small farmers like Savita and Gobind's son have little surplus. That's why they are not able to manage this. Wheat, because the total production is small and from the substantially share is kept for their own family need, right? So it is the medium and the large farmer who supply wheat to the market. In the picture 1.1, you can see the bullock cart and streaming into the market, each carrying the loads of wheat. So here the photograph is speaking about when we started our chapter, we are observing here the farmers are carrying the loads. The picture number 1.1, right? So this scene of the village was speaking about the farmers are carrying the wheat bag loads and they are going to sell the final product into the market, and their surplus products they are going to be benefit. They are keeping the amount of food grain for their own family. After doing the harvest, they are dividing it for their family one part, and rest of the surplus part they will sell in the market and they will manage their livelihoods. Next, the trader at the market buy the wheat and sell it further to the shopkeeper in the town and the city. This is the chain is shown to here. So the trader is in the market buy that and giving to the shopkeeper, and finally it's reaching to the towns and city. Tejpal Singh, the large farmer, has a surplus of 350 quintals of wheat. See, 350 quintals of wheat from all his lands. He sells the surplus wheat at the Raiganj market and has a good earning. If he is having this much amount of surplus after keeping for his family, he is having 350 quintals of bags of wheat as a surplus. By selling it to market and having it as a surplus and having the good earnings. Next, what does Tejpal Singh do with his earning? Last year, Tejpal Singh had put the most of the money in his bank account, and later he used the saving for lending the farmer like Savita who was in the need of the loan. What he is doing, he is keeping that surplus amount in a bank, and after that, like Savita, small farmer used to lend the money and take more interest on that, and he is in a benefit situation. He also used the saving to arrange for the working capital for farming in the next season, and he is managing the working capital finance from his own account. This year Tejpal is planning to use his earning to buy another tractor, and another tractor would increase his fixed capital. His fixed capital is going to be increased because in fixed capital tools, building and machines are coming. So the tractor is one of the machines to do farming in the particular area. Next, like Tejpal Singh, other large farmer and medium farmers sell their surplus farm product. A part of the earning is saved and kept for buying capital for the next year. Then, thus they able to arrange for their capital for farming from their own saving. From the own saving, they are going to manage for the upcoming year cultivation. Some farmer might also use the saving to buy the cattle, truck, or to set up a shop. As we shall see, these constituents the capital for non-farming activities. So here in the overall presentation speaking about how the large farmers and the medium farmers are managing their capital, which is very needed things to adopt the modern farming method and to increase the farm productivity by selling their surplus. But the small farmers, they don't have that much of surplus because they are already taking the loan from the money lender, from the trader, or from the large farmer. They have to repay the loan, plus they have to manage their family also. Going ahead, this is the overview. In the overview, we are going to see about the capital, and we are seeing the selling of the farm product. Please have a look to this one. Capital, huge capital is required in the method of modern farming. Right? What is huge capital required? To purchase fertilizer, pesticide, modern farming methods is very expensive for them. Small farmers have lack of capital. They borrow money from where? Large farmer, then money lenders and traders at a very high rate. Then we have seen the farm surplus product is sold to the medium or the large farmer by the small farmer. To repay the loan, they are selling it, they are not moving up to the market. They require a transport facility also, right? So for that they have to pay also. If their farm production is less, so they are selling to the large farmer or to the medium farmer to repay the loan as well as to pay their interest. So this whole contribution of this capital is very important in farming. Capital is the essential factors. If capital will not be there, physical capital in that, working capital and fixed capital. So physical capital again it is divided into two, working and fixed. If these two factors are not available, so farming is going to be difficult. If it is not there, small farmers, they are borrowing money from the large farmers and they are paying high rate of interest. So let's move further. Today your homework, I will tell you. Before saying to thank to each and everyone, I want to tell you about that. Write a note for each and every segment which I am taking as a learning point here, and plus by making the note, one homework I had given to fill in the blanks. Please read it and do it properly in the textbook only. If you don't have, write on a piece of paper, hold that paragraph and then fill up the blanks. Lastly, I want to thank to each and every one of you for watching this video and getting benefited. Thanking to each and everyone. Be safe and secure at your home. Jai Hind.